Hi, my name is Laura Ozarzak, and I'm a second-year medical student at Rush University. Today I want to talk to you about using Osmosis Workspaces. A workspace on Osmosis can help you study more efficiently from any relevant document by recommending high-yield resources and quizzes and providing tools for you and your classmates to create your own content. A document can be a slide deck, academic article, outline, or any resource you choose, provided that the file is a Word document, PDF, or a PowerPoint, less than 40 megabytes. You can find workspaces from the left-hand navigation bar and in your home screen. You can use a workspace individually or as part of a group. To get started, select Workspaces from the left sidebar, then select your class workspace. Let's look at this workspace that's already been created and has some documents uploaded. Once a document has been loaded to a workspace, Osmosis will recommend videos, articles, study aids, and quizzes for every high-yield concept it contains. Click the Analyze Text button alongside the document to view a list of relevant Osmosis videos covering these high-yield concepts. Select the Study option at the top of the list, or next to a specific video, for even more resources. From here, you can view the video and access available relevant study tools such as flashcards, questions, memory anchors, high-yield notes, and links to additional resources. If we return to the lecture analysis page, you can use the Quiz Yourself option to study high-yield flashcards related to the content of the document. If you're not quite ready to take the quiz now, just click Save to Queue to review later. In addition to Osmosis recommendations for every document in your workspace, Osmosis provides a document viewer, which includes tools that can help you create your own content and collaborate with others. These tools include a highlighting and annotation tool so that you can mark up text for future review. On the left side of the document viewer, you can find recommendations for concepts and additional study materials on each page of your document. On the right side, you can find recommended Osmosis flashcards, as well as flashcards made by yourself and your peers. You can click Save to Queue to study these later. You can take private notes using the text editor. You can also use this space to attach images and link videos to your document. While your text and notes are private, attached images and videos can be viewed by other members of your workspace so that they too can benefit from these resources. You also have the ability to make flashcards and questions, which can be private or shared. Your workspace includes additional tools and settings in the right-hand corner. These can help you search for concepts within your documents, load calendar information, assign roles to members, and configure your study preferences. Don't forget to invite other Osmosis users to join your workspace so that you can collaborate together. So what are you waiting for? Try out these useful features of Osmosis Workspaces today.
Start your free trial today at osmosis.org.